In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Zoho Desk. Our focus will be on guiding you smoothly through the process so that you can integrate your contact data efficiently and without any hiccups. To begin, you'll need to log into your Zoho Desk account. Make sure you have administrative privileges. These are necessary to access certain features involved in the import process. Once you're logged in, go ahead and navigate to the main setup menu. From there, you'll find yourself looking for the Data Administration section. This is your go-to hub for handling tasks like importing and exporting data. Within that section, click on Import, Export, and then select Import. You'll notice an option for New Import. That's your cue to get started on uploading your contacts. A window will appear with several tabs for you to interact with. The first tab you'll engage with is called File Upload. At this point, find the Select Module drop-down menu. From here, you need to choose the option for Import Contacts. This action sets the stage, allowing the system to recognize that you're specifically importing contact data. Next up, you'll need to click on Browse File. Doing so will open a dialog box where you can search for and select your CSV file containing all your contact information. Be sure your file is properly formatted and ready to go, as this will streamline your experience. One very important step is deciding how you want Zoho Desk to handle any duplicate records it encounters in your file. There are 3 different options available for you. The first is Skip, which ignores any duplicates, effectively leaving them out of the import process. This option is great if you want to keep your existing database intact and avoid redundancy. The next option is Overwrite. With Overwrite, existing records in your database will be replaced with the new data from your import file. Use this if you're sure the new entries are the most accurate and up-to-date. Finally, there's the Clone option. Selecting Clone will allow you to create new records even when an equivalent entry already exists, thereby maintaining the original data while adding a new version. After deciding which duplicate handling method best suits your needs, you're ready to click Next. This will guide you to the subsequent steps, finalizing your import and seamlessly integrating your contacts into the system. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll efficiently import your contacts into Zoho Desk with minimal hassle.